is the Iron Trader. It is Friday morning. So I'm going to take a look here at Bitcoin, here at crude oil, and at natural gas. Now, first of all, I want to get a big shout out to my team, Notre Dame, who won yesterday. Now they got one more to go. Giddy up. Okay, this video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, selling stock, about ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have Bitcoin, your daily chart. Now, if you watched my video here last night, I was pointing out the top of this candle right here. Okay, so we're looking at 103.190. Okay, we say we're trading this box right here. Now, the key for support level here was right here is this 50-day 92.389 and this price channel at 91.735. So so far here today, we're holding this this 50 SMA here, looking very, very nice here. Now, again, if we can keep right on trading this box here, you can see how it came on down, went back up, now came on down. Now maybe we can get a little bit sideways action and take it a little bit higher. Okay, so let's look at the upside. So today we got as high as 95.745. What we're looking for here is this 8-day at 96.743. Now you can see how the 8-day crossed that 21-day, then it rolled up here, and now we got flat ski going. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. 96.743. Right above that here, we have that 21-day at 98.481. Now, again, if we can get above that, then we'll come right here to the top of this candle here. You're looking at that 99.920 level here. We'll come over here. You're looking at 100,325. And then we can come right up to the top of this candle here. You're looking at that 103.190. Very, very key on a closing basis. Now, we did make a little bit higher than that at 103.565 and 103.685. But this is here is the key level here. So we're basically just trading this box. Now, your numbers here aren't going to be dead accurate for a simple reason. You're trading such a large numbers here. But realistically, just look at this candle here at that 103.190. You need to close above that. Then if you can, then we can start hitting the rest of these other targets here, okay? Then we'll be looking right there at that 105.325. We'll look at the bottom of that candle at 106 flat. And then we look up here at 106.960. Then we come up to that 108.960 level here. But right now we're just trading this sideways here. So this is a really, really good trade here as long as we hold this key 50 SMA at 92.391 and that price channel at 91.735. Now, if we start losing that, then all we do is look right to the left here. You're looking at 91.475 and we're looking at 97.85. That's going to be your next levels. Okay, then we can come right down to the bottom there. You're looking at 93.215. And then we'll come up here, looking at 92.335 level here. And then we'll come down here, you're looking at 85.890. This is the big key level right here because this is the gap, okay? So that's at 86.70. And then we look to the top of that candle at 77.930 here. That's only if that 50-day and that price channel lost and we start losing all this area here. Then we're going to come right down to that gap and that fill and then possibly even old Hondo over here at 77.354. But right now, we don't worry about that. Right now, what we're just doing is we're just trading this range here. Now, an easy way I trade this is with IBIT for the long and BITI there for the short ski, okay? So this here is working out very, very nice. So today, just watch that 8-day on the upside. We get above that, watch that 21-day. On the downside, just watch that 50-day. That's going to be everything and that price channel at that 91.735. Okay, let's take a look here now at crude oil and natural gas. Okay, here we have crude oil. You can see where she is breaking out here now. Now, the question is, can it hold this key 200, a simple moving average at 75.42? That's going to be very, very key. Now, you can see here on this chart, what it is, we had this downtrend going here. You can see once we broke the top of that candle in the short range, we broke that downtrend, and now we're moving up. Now we've got ourselves a nice big ass green candle. The question is, can we hold it? That's going to be very, very key. Can you hold it? Okay. So right now on the downside, this is going to be very key. Is that 75.42 level here? Okay, that's going to be key. And then what we'll do is we'll come right to the top of this candle here, 75.29. We'll come down here at 74.99 level. Then we'll come right to the top of this candle here at 74.53. And then we can look at today's low at that 74.02. And then here's the bad boy right there at 73.46. But as long as we're above that 8 SMA here, this is still very, very bullish here. Now, I was pointing out here in the last video, we had sideways action here, but as long as you hold that 8-day, you lose that 8-day, well, then we just work yourself all the way on down until we hit that 21-day. But like I said, if it breaks on up here, this is key. But now it has to close above that 75.42 level here, okay? So now, Today we had a high right there of 76.33 level. Okay, so what it is, we're above. We're looking for this right here, this level 76.24. So we're just a scotch above that here. So next level we're looking for is going to be right here at 77.40, and then the top of this candle here at 78.46 level. Okay, so you can see here how we had this downtrend going on here, but in the short term, I shouldn't say short term, but since October, this part of the chart here, this was the key right here, this level here. But again, we broke it right on up here. But again, this 200-day is going to be key on a closing basis. Let's see if we can hold it. So again, this is what you want to watch on the downside. That's going to be very, very key. And that 8-day on the downside, 73.45. Now on the upside, your next target is going to be right there, 77.40, and then right up here at 78.46 level. Okay, that's going to be next target. Obviously, we can just move right on up here, but let's just see if we can actually hold that 200-day here first. It's very early. Okay, now natty gas here, same thing. Okay, we were trading this box situation. However, this had that, I said, like a possible bull flag, but it really wasn't a really, bear flag, but it really wasn't really good flag, but it did set that higher low kind of situation. But now you can see where that kind of negated that whole situation, and now we're back above here, okay? So downside here, just watch this key level. This is at 3.65. If that's lost, you're going to go right to that 21-day at 3.55, and then we looked here, Wednesday's low here, you're looking at 3.42, and then we have this candle here, 3.33, 3.29, and then here's what you're looking for is that 3.22, that 50-day. But that's only if that 21-day, and all this here is lost, and that's your big target. Now, here on the upside here, we're pointing out at the top of this candle here, we had that sideways action. Now you can see where it broke up here today, 3.87. Okay, so what are we looking for next? Well, we're looking right here, okay, at 3.94. That's going to be key. And then right here is the retest. That's a 401. See we had 401. There was your double top. It came right on down here. Now it looks like that bear flag situation. It wasn't really like a true, bear flag situation where you had your pole and then you just climbed right on up here. But over a period of time, it didn't look too good. But again, you don't never know with natural gas or any other thing, how commodity or stock, how it's actually going to go. That's why you want to trade the charts. Okay, so again, it popped up, and now we're above that key sideways action, same way we are here with crude. So let's see if we can maintain that. So basically today, what you want to watch is that 8-day, that 21-day on the downside. On the upside, you watch today's high, that 387, and then we have 394, and then this is going to be the key, that 401. You crack above that 401, and right there you're going to go at 420. Okay, that's what I got for you here. I'll be back here midday trading. We'll take a look at our Bitcoin, at crude oil, natural gas. Remember, this is one-day trading here, so let's just see how this is all going to shake out. Looks like the Nasdaq's down a little bit here, but this very, very early. Trade what's in front of you, not what you want.